Remembering her honor, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, today marks the start of 3 days of public remembrances. Here's a live look. People are paying their respects as she lies in repose at the Supreme Court. The justices passing just before a presidential election has set off a political battle over her replacement. CBS 2's Skylar Henry has more now from Washington, D.C.
Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg arrived at the Supreme Court for the last time Wednesday, where she now lies in repose. Ginsburg was remembered as a trailblazer and a fierce advocate for women's rights.
This was Justice Ginsburg's life's work, to insist that the Constitution deliver on its promise, that we, the people, would include all the people.
Chief Justice John Roberts said Ginsburg's opinions will guide the court for decades to come.
She will live on in what she did to improve the law and the lives of all of us. And yet, still, Ruth is gone, and we grieve.
Carolyn Curry-Talman and Renee Bobbitt came from Florida to pay their respects.
So many of the things that we take for granted as women and people, she was instrumental in providing. So that's really why we felt like we had to be here.
President Trump is expected to come to the Supreme Court to pay his respects to Justice Ginsburg tomorrow. The president says he needs to move quickly to name her replacement so the full court can hear any cases that come up from the November election.
You're going to need 9 justices up there. I think it's going to be very important because what they're doing is a hoax with the ballots. They're sending out tens of millions of ballots unsolicited.
President Trump met with Judge Amy Coney Barrett for a second time at the White House Tuesday, and sources tell CBS News she is the leading candidate to replace Justice Ginsburg on the bench. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.
And the president will name his replacement for Justice Ginsburg Saturday evening at the White House. Republicans say they have the votes to confirm whomever the president picks.